Some quakes hit so softly that scientists call them silent, even though they release the same kind of tectonic energy as regular earthquakes. But they slip so slowly that the ground barely twitches, which means entire plates can move a few centimeters without anyone noticing. This happens because friction along a fault sometimes relaxes like a sliding zipper instead of snapping, so the energy leaks out over days instead of seconds, which means the planet can rumble in a whisper. And that's why silent quakes feel like Earth's slow-motion sneeze. So tap like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more stories like this.